Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add pink notes on Instagram. If you've been searching for a way to get pink color notes on Instagram, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now let's start. To add pink notes on Instagram, first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the messenger icon in the top right corner of the screen to go to your direct messages. At the top of the chat list, you will see a notes section. Now, tap on your note under your profile picture. A new screen will appear. In the note field, type a short message. To make your note appear in pink, you need to include words that are mindful, demure, cutesy, or considerate. These words will change the color of your note to pink. Once you're ready, tap share to post the note. Your note will appear in pink if you include the mentioned words. Now, your friends and followers will see your note in pink.